Dwarka Expressway and Upper Dwarka Expressway पर एक ऐसी टाउनशिप which is spread over 150 plus acres in which plots, low-rise floors and villas that all are delivered in past 4 years. So today I'm going to show you our only new segment, our only new high-rise. It's coming up by a renowned developer. Yes, it's none other than BPTP Astoria, which is located in Sector 102, and they are coming up their first ultra-luxurious high-rise segment, and that is coming up with the name of Verde Greens. So here is a detail of the project. 150 acre land bank में BPTP is coming up with 12.8 acres, जिसमें they are coming up with high-rise ultra-luxurious towers. So total number of towers there are 8, in which phase 1 में 5 towers launch कर रहे हैं, and the height will be G plus 45. So इसमें जो टाइपोलॉजी लेके आ रहे हैं that is 2 BHK and 3 BHK. So size will be 1654 and 2463 square feet respectively, in which they are 4 to 4 along with a 3-level basement car parking. Hello friends and welcome back to your YouTube channel. My name is Rachit Garg and I'm from Address Creators. So today I'm in Sector 102 and I'm going to show you a lavishing ultra luxurious apartment from the inside. Let's have a look. Now I'm going to show you the apartment from the inside. So as we enter, you can see the floor space. The size will be 5.4 into 8 by 6. So moving further, it's a guest room. As you can see, the size is a good size, handsome size. Size will be 11 by 13 along with a washroom attached. And you can see the deck area also, which is 5 by 11. So moving further, you can see there's a living and dining area, and the size of this is 19 by 14 by 5. Along this you can see it's a separate deck area also, which is 6 by 9. So let's move further. Now the turn is kitchen area now. As you can see, it's a fully modular kitchen you're going to get along with a hob and chimney. The size of kitchen is 18 by 12 along with the utility area also. The size of this is 5 by 11. So next on my left hand side, it's a common washroom. The size of this is 5 by 6 into 8. So on my right hand side, this is second room. Good size, decent size. The size of the bedroom is 10 by 6 into 13 by 3. So now I'm going to show you the third room of the apartment. It's not the master bedroom, it's the master suite. As you can see, it's a good size, handsome size. The size of this room is 11 by 15 along with a washroom attached along with a walk-in closet also. In which you are getting the deck area also by 5 by 11. So now let's talk about amenities. BPTP Verde Greens, it's coming up by 1.75 lakh square feet clubhouse, in which you are getting 4 swimming pools, indoor and outdoor, 10,000 square feet gym, 2 mini theaters, a banquet hall जहाँ पे आप party कर सकते हैं 250 लोगों की, along with the rooms in which you are getting a 30 rooms also. Apart from this, you are getting indoor and outdoor activities also. Indoor में आप you can say squash court, badminton court, and outdoor में net cricket, mini soccer. So these kind of amenities you are getting in this project. Now let's talk about connectivity. This project is bang on Dwarka Expressway, which is 150 meter wide, and साथ ही साथ ये Upper Dwarka Expressway से connect करता है, which is 75 meter wide. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि हम यहाँ से मेजर कहाँ connectivity करते हैं. So number one, IG Airport is 25 meter drive away, and from there also we can enter to Dwarka also. So opposite बात करूँ, we can go to CPR, जो कि हमें SPR से होते हुए एक्सटेंशन रोड कनेक्ट करती है, एंड CPR से हमें NH8 एंड जयपुर के लिए कनेक्टिविटी मिलती है. मैं बात करूं आगे स्कूल्स, हॉस्पिटल्स, कॉर्पोरेट हब्स, रिटेल मार्केट, these are nearby from this project. Like schools के लिए DPS school is nearby, and retail market के लिए there are lots of commercial which is nearby from this project. So we have a very lucrative and exclusive deals available, as the price starts from 3 CR only. So what were you waiting? Book your site visit today, and for more information you can contact me in the given number below, and you can DM me also. Thank you and have a good day.